Hello friends, happy Tuesday, and today we are going to create a cut crease gradient for you today. Starting out, we are using the Conspiracy palette in Where's the Tea. Cut the crease and form the wing with P. Louise. Taking Voila from the Nikki Tutorials palette on your inner corner. Followed by the shade Redemption, blending that in. Taking Makai and blending that into the orange. Go back in with Redemption and really blend those two together to create that seamless look. Back in with the Conspiracy palette in my rights here and blend that with the red. With a thin liner brush, fill in the rest of that wing. With whatever is left on the same brush you use Makai in, go ahead and blend those two together. Take What's the Tea and smoke out your lower lash line. Curl your lashes. Take your favorite mascara and really coat those lashes. On an angled brush, take Amsterdam from the Nikki Tutorials palette and place that right against your lash line. Apply your mascara to your lower lashes. Take a gold shimmer shade and add that to your inner corner. And just like that, you have a gorgeous gradient cut crease. Hope you guys like this one.